I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. And here's an interesting thing. Look, you can see it over here, but watch. When I take my finger and run it this way, it moves through the house. So you can see different aspects. Let's say you're somewhere, let me turn this down so you don't hear the double. And if I pull it, I can pull it around and I can look at everything. And let me show you. Hang on. I'm going to put it up here so you guys can see it. So there's the camera there, right? Watch. So it moves. You follow me? Watch. It's going to keep going. It's going all the way around. So now it's looking all the way over there. Now I'll go this way. Oh, there I am. Bam, done. All right, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.